Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Rich. This is episode 9 of modifying my Audi S3. Now, if you didn't see episode 8, I'll put the link in the description and you can go get caught up real quick. We'll wait. You caught up? Awesome. Welcome back. Episode 9, the missing link. Not really, but kinda. In episode 8, we talked about a piece that I was going to eventually get that I didn't get yet. It was on back order, but my wife managed to get it for me for Christmas. So, thank you, honey. We're going to install that in this video. Plus, I'm an idiot. Rookie. I curbed the hell out of my wheel on the Audi, and the wheel is black, and you noticed. So I wanted to get that done and fixed immediately. And I figured at the same time, I'd pull the Laguna wheel off the VW GLI and get that handled. What happened to that wheel was a couple of years ago, we hit a pothole in San Diego and cracked it. Well, we got home and we had it welded and fixed. My wife didn't want to get new wheels. She really likes these wheels. So that weld held up pretty good for a while, but now it was starting to leak a little bit of air. So I decided to pull that wheel off, take both wheels down and get them fixed, hopefully. And you'll see that in the video too. Hopefully those turned out the way they're supposed to. Fingers crossed. Welcome back. Let's continue to modify my Audi, baby. So here's how we left it. The cold air intake is installed, missing the lid. We finally got that piece and we're going to install it and cover that up. Well, Houston, we have a problem. We have a gap. Shouldn't be a gap. We have to figure out how to move this lid forward to get rid of that. You know, I did have the lid ceramic coated before I installed it. I'll put a link in the description for locals.
Maybe moved it a tiny little bit right here. And that's allowed me to go forward, but I still wrapped it all the way around. So it's nice and tight still. Because that's where the end of the pipe is.
We're good.
Yeah, so it's still nice and tight, and I don't have any more tug on the cover.
Stand up nicely. Remember that rookie mistake I was telling you about? Well, it's time to deal with it. Up close and personal, that is nasty. That's gnarly, that curb rush. But I think it's fixable, so we'll take it to the shop and hope they can fix it. Here's the original weld on the VW Laguna wheel. You can see with a little bit of water that it's failing. So we're off to get the wheels fixed. Well, the wheels are ready, so we're going to go shoot out and go get them and see how they turned out. Fingers crossed. Not going to lie, I'm a little nervous. The wheels are banged up pretty good, so hopefully they turned out great. Take it to VW, so I'm going to mount the wheel back on the VW while I'm at the shop, and then the Audi, we'll get back to that. We got some more work to do on that, but fingers crossed. I'll put a link to the shop that I'm using here in town for you guys. Here's the new weld, and the wheel's been balanced, and let's get it installed. We'll swing back to this. Well, the wheel for the VW came out really good. Let's make sure we'll drive for a while, make sure it still holds air. But they re-welded it and fixed that up and rebalanced it and air and all that shit, so that's back on. But the Audi wheel came out good, but the finish has a little bit of, it just needs to be buffed more. It's not perfect, so they're gonna have to buff it again, and I'll come back for that wheel, so we'll see. So far so good. Kind of bummed that I have to have the wheel rebuffed again, but I get it. So I got the call that the wheel for the Audi has been rebuffed, so we're gonna go pick that up, and hopefully it turned out spectacular. Well, we're back. Let's see what the Audi wheel looks like. So it came out good. It's dusty, but no more curb rash for my dumbass. It was right in here. That curb rash was all right here. They hooked it up. Looks good. Go back on this weekend. Well, the wheel is fixed and ready, so we're heading over to Roberts, over at MALTHOUSE MOTORWORKS, to get this sucker back on. Let's see how it turns out. Don't know how, don't know where this rust buildup came from, but we're going to grind it off. And that's it. Back to normal. Job done. That's what we're doing. That's what we're... Well, I lost my train of thought. I've got 2 brain cells left and they're fighting. Let's get it going. And we're still recording. Pause. Clap on. Mumbling and mumbling and stuttering and speaking too fast and son of a bitch. In the... Everybody, thanks again. Let's get this VW Audi. Hey everybody, it's I'm back, and today I need chapstick. I'm so dry. Well, the wheel for the Audi came out really good. No, that's not right. It's the VW that came out really short, and I don't know where I'm looking. God damn it.